We're in the midst of the beast that is NCEA external exams. Let's make sure we're using our time as effectively as possible and look at 3 of the most popular study techniques that don't work. Technique number 1, rereading your notes again and again. This isn't going to make the notes magically sink into your head. It might make you feel good that you're studying, but it's actually not effective. Don't believe me? Read your notes, put them away, and see how much you can remember an hour later without looking at them again. Technique number 2, highlighting or underlining notes. Same thing, just because there's some color on your notes now, it doesn't mean they're going to magically ingrain themselves in your head. I know it looks pretty, but it's not an effective learning technique. It might make you feel good now, but you won't be feeling great when January comes around and you get a not achieved on your exam. Technique number 3, learning styles. I've got some news for you. Learning styles, whether it be visual, kinesthetic, auditory, whatever, they're not a real thing. There's no scientific data to endorse learning styles. They're just not a thing that exists. So stop wasting your time with these ineffective techniques. So you're asking me, what does work? Cue cards for memorizing key terms and concepts, past exams, and workbooks for testing yourself and applying the skills that you've learned. Summary notes where you summarize a whole NCEA standard into 1 or 2 pages. And here's a fun one to finish, teach a friend. Go annoy your mom or your sibling with all that organic chemistry you just learned. Explaining content to someone is a great way to make sure that you actually understand what you think you do. Bonus points if you're able to answer their questions. I hope that gets your study on the right track. And if you're feeling like giving up because you're not where you want to be, don't give up just yet. Check out my other video on how to cram for NCEA exams in 90 seconds. Let's get your study game on point. Good luck.